Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, mashallah. My name is Musa Silla, and my son is Mustafa Silla. Um, Yesterday, I'm coming here for Dr. Bukhari. Okay, and then support for Dr. Bukhari. So now your work, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Even I see customer, you can tell him your number and your office numbers, your name, everything. You can tell him. So now I'm leaving Latria. Yeah. So for my boy send me this number, your numbers. So when you go now you can happy, but now you can see. Now Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin for doctor. So now thank you so much, Doctor Bukhari. And for my son Mustafa, so now Alhamdulillah, you see, so now no pain, so no hurt, so now Alhamdulillah, mashallah. Thank you so much, Dr. Bukhari. Now Alhamdulillah, today I'm happy, doctor. Thank you so much. I'm support. Anyway, I'm support. Yes, thank you so much. And then for my son, so now Alhamdulillah, mashallah. Now today I'm happy. I'm very, 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 very happy now. Yes, right now. So no hot. It's not hot. So no, right now, Alhamdulillah, mashallah. Now it's okay. Yeah, mashallah. Today, Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much, Bukhari. Alhamdulillah. So now I'm happy for your office. Alhamdulillah, mashallah. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.